Okay, today we're going to discuss the topic of expected value, and I'm going to work out this example for you to begin with. We have a few examples to study and make sure that we understand the concept of expected value. In this problem, the members of the Andover chess team have been asked over the years to make a donation so that the team could purchase some new supplies. And in the table, you'll see the results from all the previous years combined. And for expected value, there's really two numbers that you need to know. When you read this or you study expected value, you realize that you need to know what the outcomes are and what each outcome's probability is. So in this case, the table is telling you both. There are outcomes. The outcomes that have occurred are students have made $0 donation, or they haven't donated anything. Students have made a $5 donation. Students have made a $15 donation. And some students have made a $20 donation. Those are the outcomes. Those are the things that have happened. Then we also need to know the probability of each. Over time, this says 28% of students didn't donate anything. 40% of students donated $5. 18% of students donate $15. And over time, 14% of students donated $20. What we have again is we have our outcomes, things that occur, and we have our probabilities of each, what the probability is that each one happens. When we calculate expected value, the formula, or the rule, generally is multiply every outcome by its probability. So I'm going to start to do that. The first outcome is $0, and its probability is 0.28. The next outcome is $5, and its probability is 0.40, 40%. The next outcome is $15, and its probability is 0.18. And the last outcome that has occurred is $20. Some students have donated 20, and the probability over time has been 14%, or 0.14. That's the first step in really all expected value problems, is outcome times probability. Next, after you do that, is you need to add all the results. Add all the results. So I am just going to simply add all of the answers that I would get when I multiply those numbers. 0 times any number is 0, plus 5 times 0.4 is 2, plus 15 times 0.18, you'll find that you get 2.7, plus 20 times 0.14, 20 times 0.14, you'll find you get 2.8. And I need to add those four numbers together. Those four numbers add to 7.5. This is my expected value, 7.5. And what it means is, over time, over a long period of time, I should expect, basically on average, for a student to donate $7.50. So if I'm planning for next year, and I know that I have, let's just say, 20 students, I'm thinking in my mind, well, 20 times, and on average, $7.50 a person. So I would do 20 times 7.5, and I could kind of figure out on average how much money I'm going to have to work with. But expected value, again, is what should happen over a long period of time. And in this case, it appears as though on average, over a long period of time, each student donates about $7.50.